right, so I am driving in Portland and I am headed to my friends Paul and Bev where my trailer and trike are, and we're going to be going on a trike ride with a group. We'll see who shows up. And this is where my trailer is being parked for the week that I'm spending at another friend's house. And my trike is here. So yeah, let's go for a trike ride. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Okay, so we are gathering at the Park Avenue Max Stop for a ride. It's a meetup point. And check this out. Got a really great group today. Hi, Kathy. Morning. Morning, everybody. Morning. Look at this. So far, we got 20 people. Trikes and two-wheelers. We're going to go, yep. Everybody's masked up and ready to roll. Bathroom break. We're just like doing figure eights in the parking lot. We're on the Springwater Trail going into Portland right along the Willamette River. We're going to have views of this river all throughout the ride. All right, we got a regroup site here. Porta potty. Isn't this amazing? I think we have 22 people on this ride. Phenomenal. Phenomenal, everybody. Phenomenal. Got to be careful about the train here. So this is the path to cross the Tilikum Bridge. And this is the newest bridge in Portland. And it was built for the Max Line. It's just a train and pedestrian bridge. Up and over the Willamette River. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to be out here riding with everybody. Oh, really missed everybody a lot. And since I'm not living in Portland this summer, I just haven't had a chance to see people. And oh, it's so pretty. Hawthorne Bridge. Yes, everybody seems to feel safe riding together as long as we mask up. And most of the people that we're passing on the different trails are also masked up. So, yeah, on the trikes and bikes we can keep our distance, and we're masked up. And I think it's really nice that we can be together and still feel safe. Lots of geese out here. Honking geese. So we're going to cross the lower deck of the steel bridge. Which is a pedestrian platform. Across the Willamette. And then next to us is the train tracks. And above is the road. And more tracks for the MAX train. It's really a busy bridge. And now we are on the east side of the Esplanade. And then this is the floating Esplanade. And this goes up and down depending on the level of the river. Level of the river is low, and so this bridge is pretty steep right now. It's really a cool idea. Now look at all these paddle boarders. It's kind of fun. Beautiful day for paddle boarding. Here we are at the entrance to the Springwater corridor. This is one of the older bike paths, kind of narrow. All right, so we're on the Trolley Trail, getting to the end of this ride. And one thing I'm noticing about riding during COVID is there's no place to stop. And so it's meant that the ride has really moved along. We're usually pretty pokey and it's fun. I've always enjoyed it. But today I kind of overbooked a little bit and I was a bit concerned about time. But because there really wasn't any place to stop, the timing's gonna be great. And it's just super fun to be with everybody. All right, so this has just been a fantastic ride. Gorgeous day. We had 22, maybe 23 riders with us today. Huge turnout. It was so fun to see everybody get caught up, ride the trails around Portland together, cross the bridges. I think this ride will be about 25 miles once we finish the loop. All right, we're back at the beginning after a fabulous ride. Thank you, everybody. Had a great time riding with all of you. Really, really fun.